Y'all daughters can't cook then. Are you kidding me, girlfriend?
Tired of the wasting. She just want my love. Say she tired of the waiting. Over and out. Girl, you need a soldier to show you the route. Pull you in close, areola to mount. My love, no corona, Ebola could out. Whenever you're alone and you're unoccupied, and you're feeling hot inside, hit me up on my line. One time.
What you cooking?
Sweet and sour chicken.
Why the kitchen looks so? Everything all over the place. Sweet and sour chicken. So yeah, my baby girl, Shakila is 10. And this is her first time. Let me say hello to y'all. Hey, turn on this light. So this is my baby girl right here. And this is her first time. This is her first time cooking. She's adamant that she knows how to cook. And what's on the menu, Kiki? Sweet and sour chicken?
With rice and something else.
Okay. And she got her friends over there on the phone. Make sure you have to tidy up as you go along. So this dish towel should not be anywhere near the stove, FYI. So feel free to just put that there or whatever. So she got her pot of oil here. Wow. You want me to go back?
No, you have to go.
Okay, so she got a secret. You got a secret ingredients. Is that it?
Not an ingredient of food.
Okay, she don't. Okay, so it's a secret. It's a surprise, I should say. So she don't really want to tell me everything that she is doing. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So she have her chicken that she already diced up. As you see, the cotton board is in the sink. This is not how I would normally do it, because she's gonna fry it first and the whole nine. So she's got her chicken already. She put the flour in here. Where you find this recipe, KK? Okay, she don't want to tell me. So the pot, the oil already, the stove on already?
Yeah.
So over here is one now. What's going on here? This is the flour?
Yeah.
So
but I can't, I have to.
okay, so when you finish using the flour, why don't you just put it back up in the cupboard? Just clear your space. Your space got a lot going on right now. Always remember to clear your space. What is this? You light the stove, and you guys are always trying to teach her, So she's got her egg mix here. People. Yes, girlfriend.
Can I make dinner more often?
So what's that spoon doing there?
Oh, yeah. Because I had to get the flour with
And
the
what?
spoon.
So where's the pot? What that frying pan doing over? Shakila.
Oh yeah, I think I need to use that.
Hello. I'm hungry. It's 5 o'clock already. You cooking rice with this or what's going on?
Rice.
Rice and secret stuff.
Well, one.
Okay. So you don't chop up you gotta chop up your onions and peppers and everything and stuff like that. Okay. You want me to leave or you want me to vlog your whole Oh, okay. See these people? She want me to leave. What you want me to leave though? So put back on your pot then. You're dipping that
Get this
and dipping it in the egg.
This.
Really? And then what? Putting it in the oil? Are you dipping it back in there?
Wait. Okay. I can only do 6.
And then what you gonna do now?
Put them in a pot.
You put them in the pot? That's how them do it, Kayla?
Yeah.
Really? But they're full of egg. See, you got too much egg on it. See?
But they put 2.
You should have mixed it wrong. Yeah, okay, put in your first one then. Because they're going to be popping up on you. Go. Okay, but the oil wasn't hot though.
Maybe you have to turn it on a bit more.
No, the oil just wasn't hot enough. So, important lesson. I thought your oil was already hot, but it's not hot enough.
Or see how they did it.
So you're doing a recipe from what you see here. What website is this? You're on tasty.co. So this is the recipe she's following, guys. Okay, so they put the chicken in flour, then they mixed it. Oh, my daughter know what she's doing then. It's all right then, my love. Do your thing. People, wait, are you running away from the pot right now?
No.
Shakila, you running away from the pot?
It just popped.
Get yourself over there, go cook my dinner now.
I'm scared. Can I get some gloves?
People look at Kayla afraid to go towards it. So this is, you want to come and cook dinner But you afraid to put in the chicken? Are you kidding me, girlfriend? So basically, flour, then egg, then pot. Okay, now I feel like this pot full of egg though. I mean, on the side. I think what you should do. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what to do. So put these back in there in the flour, and wet, do them in the flour a bit more, and then put them in the pot. Oh. So that way it's just better and you're not putting wet egg in the pot.
This?
Yeah. So guys, she's take them out of the egg and put them back in the flour. We need to get some gloves. We need gloves in it. Okay, do your thing, do your thing. Hey, girlfriend, go, go, go. Don't throw them in enough. So Shaquila's taking out the first one that she put in ages ago on her napkin. Let's test it. Let me see. Pass it. Is it cooked?
Okay.
Look nice. Okay, okay, girlfriend. Let's see if it's cooked though. Is it cooked? So this is Shaquila's chicken, y'all. Okay. Not bad.
Trying to taste it.
Pray for me, y'all. I'm trying Shaquila's chicken.
Bad, good. Good?
Mm-hmm. The seasoning good. Oh, you love the seasoned chicken?
Have you tried? No.
Open wide. Open wide. Come. Let's see Shaquila's reaction to her own chicken. What do you think, girlfriend? Look at the camera. Tell them what you think. Is it good or bad?
Good.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Turn the ones that need turning.
How do I know?
You see brownness. You're going to see some brownness around the edges. I'll be right back to check your developments. Peace.
Bye.
I'm leaving my daughter, y'all, in the kitchen to do her thing. Because, okay, she's a big girl. Right? Hey. So this is what her chicken look like so far in the pot, guys. Have a look. Big chef. Put some bleach, put dish liquid. Careful with the knife. Keep cleaning as you go along. The aim is always to keep the kitchen nice and tidy. Y'all look outside. So right now it's about 6 o'clock. This is what outside my kitchen window. Shaquila and I went to Disney, so this is what we have by our window. This is the kitchen window, and this is what's outside my window. As you can see, that's outside in the front yard. My baby is cooking me dinner. If y'all ain't got a baby girl that can cook y'all dinner, y'all ain't saying nothing. So I'm really looking forward to her food. Her chicken, just now when y'all saw me taste it, it's actually well seasoned. It's pretty good, so she did a great job, and I'm looking forward. So as I mentioned, she's cooking sweet and sour chicken. She's going to cook that with rice, white rice. I'm not sure if she knows how much water to put, but y'all stay tuned for that, because I'm looking forward to seeing how her rice come out. I'm not gonna hover around her in the kitchen. I'm just gonna give her little space. Make sure y'all turn the thumbs up button blue for my baby girl, okay? Turn this thumbs up blue, like up the video, guys, and please leave your comment down below. Let Shaquila know how y'all feeling her little cooking vlog, and if y'all want to see more of her in the kitchen, make sure you comment down below too. And subscribe if you're new to the channel, guys, okay? Check back in with y'all in the kitchen when I go and, you know, see what she's up to. Okay, people, our rice looking good. Let me see. Let's have a look. Bun me. Okay, this is Shaquila's rice. Kinda nice. So that's her first set of chicken, y'all, that's come out. These ain't coming out yet, darling.
Are they done?
They look like them done. Taking the plastic off the cupboard.
Look how good that is.
So much better. Ever since I moved into this flat, I never removed the plastic from the cupboard. I kept it on the cupboard. So Shaquila's finally peeling it off now. Time to come off, yes. Nice. Oh, covers look brand new still 1 year later. What does it say, people? Believe in the journey, okay? Believe in the journey. Shakila, can I have one more piece of jam?
No.
Tastes nice. Nice. See what's going on in here now. Diva Beaver, what's going on, girlfriend? Woohoo! Y'all look at this sweet and sour chicken.
I can't believe I did this. Me. Just intended.
Seriously. Kiki, you did so good. So tell us what you put in to make this sauce.
Vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, sugar, red pepper, and yellow pepper.
Did you put onions as well?
Oh yeah, onions.
Oh, very nice. It's
I
done.
taste it. That tastes so good, like Nando's.
Yeah.
Yum.
And this is Shaquila's rice, y'all, as y'all can see. Wow. Now I'm gonna taste it with my food.
Oh.
Oh, I'm so proud of my diva. Oh, guys. Mwah. I love my baby. My baby cooked, y'all. She made sweet and sour chicken. Kiki, you made sweet and sour chicken. Oh my gosh, my baby cooked sweet and sour chicken. Y'all, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, okay? Turn that thumbs up button blue. Like this video, right? How many likes you want for this video?
105.
She want at least 105 likes.
Yeah.
Y'all better give my baby at least 105 likes for her delicious food, okay? Her chicken is off the chains, y'all. Her chicken look good, man. Wow. So you're gonna dish it out?
I'm very proud of my chicken.
She's very proud of her chicken. Yeah, she keep licking off. She keep taking the sauce out before we even dish out the food.
I know
saying,
what
this sauce is so good. Kayla, I am so proud of you though. Guys, this is mine. Obviously, I'm taking mine out. Ooh. Kayla, I want some of this for lunch. Tell me Shakila didn't do really good with this rice and the sweet and sour chicken. Oh, well. She did very good with the sweet and sour chicken.